So this ladybug brought us some luck and we caught this huge musky fish. This thing has got to be at least 2.5 feet long, and we're about to grill it for dinner tonight. Just kidding. Found us here. I found the ladybug, saw the fish. It looks pretty fresh though. I think it just washed up. Not gonna eat it though. Gonna leave it for the crows or the birds. They're gonna have a nice fancy sushi dinner tonight. Hey guys, if you caught the first video, you know I actually bought this dry flush toilet before I even got my van. I felt it would anchor the vision and help me manifest it. And it did. Manifestation is amplified when you embody the energy, when you live like you already have the thing that you're calling in. Even this YouTube channel was predicated on me getting the van, but I was already prepping content as if it was mine. We'll get deeper into manifestation later. Peace and blessings. I'm Drue, aka Drupiter, for those who are new here. But I'm new here too. I just bought this 2026 Coachmen Pixel Pop-Top van, and here we are. Actually, I don't know where we are. Somewhere in Weber County, Utah. I spent 3 hours at General RV at their Utah location, getting the Tyron tires done and got some other supplies, and just drove off. Found this beautiful lake pier and stopped. And now the next priority is setting up my dry flush toilet. So here's the deal. Road tripping means public bathrooms, and public bathrooms are usually gross. Personally, I can't do number 2 just anywhere. If you're road tripping, here's a tip. Find a clean hotel. They usually have the best bathrooms. And for airports, go to the baby changing rooms. It's usually its own private space and it's barely used, much cleaner. But if you're gonna use them, make sure you keep it clean. Now, toilets are the only thing I don't really like about RVs. You usually get a black tank, a cassette toilet, or a compost toilet, and all of those require you to deal with some kind of ish. Black tanks smell, dump stations smell. Cassette toilets are basically roller luggage for your poop. And if you don't dump it in time, it can overflow. And that's nasty. I've researched every type of toilet out there, and the Modiwell Dry Flush Toilet is the most legit one for Vanlife. And they got the best price too. It's about $700. The others are the other ones are over $1,000. And FYI, nobody's paying me to say any of this. You'll see me talk about a bunch of products, but I'm not sponsored. I'm a brand new channel. Ain't nobody sponsoring me. The only sponsor is me. I was in the produce business, and I co-founded a stinky flower brand called Kush Boys. But this don't stink. This little doo-doo dad seals your business in biodegradable bags. No mess, no smell. You flush it and it drops right there. Then you can just toss it out right away. The other dry flush toilets store the dirty diapers until the whole unit is full. And I just don't love the idea of riding around with a bunch of old poop. Now, I'm not knocking the other brands. They've been around a whole lot longer and they work great. But the Modiwell is newer and I think they improved on what was already out there. I like the compost toilet too. Surprisingly, they don't smell. They're great for off-grid home or a tiny house, but not necessarily for a van. Plus, I've got a compost machine, and I'll show that in later episodes. The van comes with a cassette toilet in the shower. Ideally, I like to remove it and replace it with this one, keeping it portable or at least removable, so I can free up some space in the shower, and then I can repurpose the cassette unit compartment for extra storage. If anyone out there knows someone who does custom van bathroom bills, let me know in the comments. For now, the original toilet is my shower seat and for storage. All right, I'm about to hook it up now. This is my toilet, the Modiwell Dry Flush Toilet. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Actually, I don't even know how to set it up. This is my first time using it. I just got it open. It's kind of charged up, turning it on right now. So, pull this thing out. Got the instruction manual. Basically the diaper roll. This is the stuff you put after you do number one, and it solidifies it. A lot less messier, basically. I'm going to go through this real quick. Okay, we're taking this piece out. I'm gonna open this. Okay, they're calling this the film roll. Scissors. So, put that right there. This. These are biodegradable, so they're actually really good. Well, they're not harmful for the environment. Lay this right here, like this. Now we're gonna cut, taking these little straps off. Putting this little cover thing back on it. Okay, that snaps in. From the outer rim, pulling this to about here. And we're pushing this down in here. We call this a jig, and you gotta kind of stuff this down here. This. And push this. Yep. Push this in. And down here it catches it. Let's see. I think this goes back right here. Seat cover. Turn it on. And we start. I think we're ready. So now I'm gonna throw some trash, which I got some of this stuff right here. I'll use this as the trash. Got a couple little rocks. Got a couple little sticks. Throwing that in there. Let's try this again. Oh, it's counting down right now. So I think it takes a minute to seal. It says 2 to 3 minutes in sealing. Press and hold start for 2 seconds. You'll hear a beep. The toilet will start sealing. The number of displays are counted from 100 to 0. You will hear a beep when it hits 0. So that was from the first one. Okay, so I actually jumped the gun a little bit. I'm gonna start this one more time with the stuff inside. There you have it. Now it's counting down to from 100 seconds, and it's gonna seal it. This thing is a game changer. It's portable, it's easy, you can go camping anywhere. This is my new favorite thing. Okay, so I threw a lot of trash in here, and I think the last piece of plastic was stuck. But anyways, you guys get the idea.
Thank you.
All right, man. Cool, guys. I got it.
Thank you very much.
All right, take care. Okay, no problem. We're shooting my toilet setup. I'm over here in this really beautiful lake. You can't really see it. I'm just in the parking lot. These guys needed a little power lift. I was happy to provide. Here's another look on how it works. I have some old cucumber salad here with a bunch of liquid in it. I'll toss in the coagulants, and that's gonna solidify it. No leaks, no smell, no mess. Now you just toss it out. Now that I've used it a few times, this Modiwell is awesome. It costs less than $1 a flush. It's super portable, fits in any car, perfect for off-grid living, and definitely for van life. Add a shower tent to it, and you've got a private bathroom anywhere. But you don't even need a tent. Now this is a prime pooping position. Bing! Shout out to Matt from General RV.